Welcome to the June edition of Caribbean Drone News here on the Pilots of the Caribbean podcast. And this month we have 3 stories for you. Bahamas National Unmanned Systems Academy graduates first training cycle. Thermal drones help count nesting sea turtles. And drone soccer once again takes flight, but this time in the Cayman Islands. Let's get into it. The Bahamas National Unmanned Systems Academy held its first graduation ceremony for drone operations on June 13, 2025. 17 participants and 4 instructors from various national security agencies, including the Royal Bahamas Police Force and Customs Department, completed the 7-week program. This training focused on using unmanned aerial and underwater systems for surveillance, reconnaissance, and intelligence gathering, with a particular focus on operations at sea. The Academy launched in October 2024 and aims to integrate drone technology into the national security operations and grow wider regional cooperation.
Right, quick one before we continue. What y'all doing in October? Nothing? Alright, cool, that's something fair. In October 21st and 22nd, 2025, join the Pilots of the Caribbean podcast at the Elevate UAV Summit 2025 presented by Drone Nerds. Pilots of the Caribbean podcast is an official media partner, and as a part of that, we have a special discount code for our audience. So you're going to use the link in the description to get your ticket, and you're entering discount code Caribbean75 for 75% off your tickets to Elevate UAV Summit 2025 presented by Drone Nerds. So on October the 21st and the 22nd, I'm expecting to see all my people who could get there in Miami for Elevate UAV 2025. Now back to what we was doing.
In our second story, scientists from Nature Seekers are using drones with thermal capabilities to monitor nesting sea turtles, especially endangered leatherbacks on Matura Beach in Trinidad. These drones are used to help identify and record hundreds of turtles and guide rangers to high-activity areas, helping to overcome the challenges of patrolling the 5.5-mile beach with limited staff. The thermal cameras detect the turtles by highlighting temperature differences when they displace cooler sand and can distinguish between species based on size and shape. Matura Beach is a crucial nesting site that has seen a rebound in its leatherback population due to conservation efforts. In our last story, drone soccer has officially launched in the Cayman Islands with a grand launch at the Camana Bay's Gardenia Court. This has been organized by President of Cayman Islands Drone Soccer and friend to the podcast, Mr. Devon McKillop. And if you're not familiar with drone soccer, I'll include a link in the description to our interview with Devon where he breaks down the game and how it's played and what's in store for the Caribbean region when it comes to drone soccer. The Cayman Islands national team is being prepared for the Drone Soccer World Cup, which is coming up in South Korea and is going to be held in September. So they have open tryouts that are being planned right now to put together a team to represent the Cayman Islands. And that's it for this month's news. As usual, if you have any stories that we might have missed or anything that you would like highlighted, please feel free to drop us an email and get in contact with us on social media. Until next time, take care.